Hello everyone, this is Suresh here. Welcome to another session in Google Cloud. In this lab session, we will see the data flow, quick start of our Python. Okay, so without any delay, let me start the lab. So this is only a 30-minute lab, so we'll finish items for you. And also in this, we are not going to discuss anything theoretical or technical stuff. We are only going to perform the task provided for us and complete the lab. So I'm just quickly logging into the Google Cloud Console so that will provision us the setup. So at any point, you can pause the video and go through the content that is required for you. So you can pause the video and go through the overview. So in this, we will be looking into the Apache Beam SDK. So in this, we will do cloud store, create a cloud storage bucket, store results of Dataflow pipeline, install the Apache Beam SDK for Python, run a Dataflow pipeline remotely. Setup just now I have completed. I don't think, yeah, let's activate the Cloud Shell as well. Cloud Shell, open it in a new window. Close here. In the new window, we can see this project has been enabled and for the student. So looking good. So you can authorize if needed. If you authorize, so you can see the account is active and for the student. Looking good. And also the configure the project. You can see the project is successfully configured as well. Now let's set the region and set up the region as Europe West 1. Enable the data flow API successfully. Okay, let's do that. Go to the console. Let's say data flow API. Select it. First, select the. Actually, by default, it is enabled, but just for a better understanding, they are asking to enable it manually. So manage, disable API, disable. So you're back. Hit enable. So we should be good by this time. Okay. The setup is done. Let's get into the creating a bucket. Navigation menu, go to cloud storage, buckets, create bucket. So I'll copy the project ID from here, paste it over here. Okay. Come on. Okay, so I copied the project ID hyphen bucket. That is the unique name I have provided. And this is going to be a multi-region. Location will be US. And click on create. If the prompted public access will be prevented, confirm. So once this is completed, so check the progress. Okay, so in the task 2, we ensure to use prompt 3.9. So let's go to the Cloud Shell and execute the code, Docker run. So let's copy this as well. Once this is complete, let's go. Again, I'm saying I'm not going to get into more technical. Here I'm just executing the code or the steps that is provided in the lab for us to do. Okay, I'm not sure why this is contour root. Let me copy this and paste it over here. Run. You'll see someone interested or related to them. It is safe to ignore them. Fine. Let's run the output file example. Put in output file. Okay. You may see a similar message following missing pipeline option runner. Where is it? Yeah, missing pipeline option runner. This message can be ignored. Okay, fine. You now have the list of files. Yes. Output file. Okay, I have list including the output file. Okay, now into one. And okay, so these are the words that is word count. We have thoughts as three, beer as three. Okay, this having some fine. Now set the bucket. Okay, bucket environment. Okay, it means you can go here and get the bucket name from this. We can directly copy. Say bucket equal to GS. Yeah, bucket we got it. And now what count? In Python, Apache beam.examples.work count in the project. Project ID is by default selected. Runner is Dataflow runner. Staging location is at staging temporary location and output in the bucket slash result slash output. Okay, and region is Europe East. Yes, correct. Because in this bucket, it's going to create a couple of folders like results and output. So shift, I mean enter. Let's see the job. In your output, wait until you see the message. API client, please navigate to the data flow jobs. You can see job state running. You can see job state is running. Once, okay, let's move on to the task 4. Slowly we'll go to the task 4. Open the data flow from the list of services. I'll directly open it here with the data flow. And we can see, you should see, I can see only B match. Job, I don't see your job, so let me wait. Job message, job basic, auto scaling raises the number of workers to 1 based on the rate in progress of payment. What I'm looking for is job message detailed workers has started successfully. Configuration is done over here. And I'm waiting, working config missing default open. Okay, so workers started successfully. This is the message we can see. Now when we get to the job, let me refresh this once again. Still I'm not seeing this. Right? What I'm missing. You should see a word count job with the status running at first. I don't see a job name called work. Or did I miss Beam wrote when it was got created? This created just 2 seconds ago, 2 minutes. You can see the typing. We should see a word count job. Okay, let's me wait for a few seconds. Let me go back and check if I miss anywhere here because the job is started, but I don't see anything here. See, succeeded. Here I can see job state is also done. Came back here. Right? You can see a word called job with the status running at first. Check the name of the name to watch the process. When all watches are checked out, you can continue and check. Oh, this is what they're looking for. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes to run this. Now let's navigate to cloud storage. Buckets. Inside the bucket, you can see results staging of them. Click on results, and this is the output. We can see output. You can see the words. Words count. Okay, below is the multiple choice question to reinforce your understanding. Data flow temp location must be a valid. This is a good question. So let's see the command. Give valid cloud storage URL. Let's see the command whether this is true or not. Yeah, here it is. Yes, this should be a valid. Temp location, but yeah, it should be a valid URL. True. Yes. Looks good. So this concludes our session. Have a great day for watching. Thank you very much. Close this, close, close.